Hi guys. I'm going to be utilizing a little bit of different tools that we have online, given our 2 week break that we have. One thing that you can notice is that you do log into Schoology and you go to the bottom. There's going to be a folder called COVID-19 Anatomy and Physiology articles. You can do these articles, read the articles, they're completely optional, whatever. However, there is a medical career research project. We sort of did this in the beginning of the year, so if you have your assignment still, you can definitely use this again. However, you can use this to bump up your grade. Some of you might need it going forward. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me via Schoology. Just you know how to do it. Just go up here, click the little message, and send me a message, and I will hopefully get back to you. Stay well and be well these 2 weeks. Have a good one.